Hello and welcome to Boardwipe Gaming, a channel dedicated to all things Warhammer. My name is Jacob and today I'll be showing you an extremely easy way to create your desert wasteland bases for your miniatures. Let's go! The paints that we'll be using today are Rhinox Hide, Agrellan Earth, Agrax Earthshade, Zamesi Desert, Morghast Bone. For the grass on our bases, we'll go with Wasteland Tuft from Army Painter. First step is to cover the base with Rhinox Hide. Let's start applying Agrellan Earth to the base. The more you apply it, the more cracked it will be. Now, it's time for magic of editing. Agrellan Earth requires 24 hours to properly dry up. So I had one base prepared earlier on for me to continue my work today. It's time for dry brush of Zamesi Desert to whole base to lighten it up before Agrax Earthshade. Now I will be applying Agrax Earthshade to whole base. Now it's time for highlight of Zamesi Desert for the base. For the final paint, the dry brush of Morghast Bone will highlight the raised areas of the base. Last but not least, there are the Wasteland Tufts from Army Painter. We'll apply it to the cracked area of my base. Here it is, my desert wasteland base for my Deathstroke Terminator is ready. I hope you found this tutorial interesting and you'll give it a try. Thank you and see you in the next episode of Boardwipe Gaming.